it's become impossible to understand you the deletion or delete an element from an array without came here with you to understand you delete any element from an array. First of all, I write a code. After that, I will discuss you how to delete any element or any position from an array. First of all, write the header file. Now we take main function, integer name. Now first of all, I declare some variables, integer n, I, n, position, and declare the array with size 10. Now I give to the user to how to elements they want to insert in the array. Now take the position to be deleted. You want to be delete the position from the array or the element of the array from the user. Now take a for loop to traverse the array from particular that position to the last element of the array. I is equal to position I less than in minus 1 and I plus plus. Inside this for loop I am declaring array of I is equal to initialize array of I is equal to array of I plus 1. And after this for loop I am decreasing the size as we deleted one element from this array, so I am decreasing the size. Now after deleting, now I am printing all the elements of the array. Finally return 0. Now see the output. Enter the number of elements. I put 9 here. Now putting the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now suppose I want to delete the fifth position. You can see here the fifth position is deleted. The number 6 is deleted from here. Number that is fifth position. Now I tell you how to delete using this for loop, how to delete the particular position element from this array. Suppose I want to delete the 6, the fifth position of the array. That means I is equal to 5, I less than n minus 1. That means here for I less than 7, I plus plus. Array of 5, that means array of 5 here. Array of 5 with the element in array of 5 is equal to array of 5 plus 1. That means array of 6. The now array of 6 element is 7. That means array of 5 will be override, will be here. Array of 5 is equal to now 7. 7 will be stored in array of 5 position. After this, increasing the I, that means now I is equal to 6. That means array of 6 here will be array of 7 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. Array of 7, array of 6 will be here, will be stored as 8. 8 will be stored at array of 6 position. Now size will be increasing, that is I is equal to 1, that means 7. I plus plus I is equal to now 7 here. An array of 7 is equal to array of 8. Array of 7 position, this here will be stored as array of 8. That means 9 will be stored here. And after that, this for will be executed. The for will, that means now position is I is equal to 8 and I is equal to 8 and I less than 8. It's not is not true, and execute this for loop. And after that, we have initialize that I am n minus minus. That means we reduce the size 1. That means this will be deleted. This size will be reduced, and the particular position element, that means the 6, the fifth position element, that means the 6 will be deleted from here.